how to change a bayonet light bulb. So this light bulb has come to the end of its lifespan. So all we do is simply, with two hands, one hand on the light bulb, one hand on the actual light fitting, we push up and we twist, and down comes the light bulb. The new light bulb, as you can see, it's got the two prongs there, the bayonet. Line them up, push, twist and release. The light then works. This is an energy saving light bulb, and that flickering is only due to the camera. The flickering is not in real life. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.